So today I'm going to show you how to add a bank on file in your Ibotta account so you can go ahead and withdraw money into that new account. Now we're here on the home page, as you can see on the bottom left hand side. And what we want to do is go over to the top right hand side where you typically will see the amount of money in your account. You can see here for us, it's $40. Obviously yours might be a little bit different. So let's go ahead and click on this. And now from this section in our earnings, we can actually go ahead and just click over where you see withdraw. And now in our withdraw section over here, you'll see gift cards if you have any accounts already added. And if you would like to go ahead and add an account, go ahead and click right over here where it says link a PayPal or bank account. And then from here, you can go ahead and choose whether it's a PayPal account or just any regular bank account. We're going to go ahead and click on this option. And then from here, it's going to give you a couple of pieces of information. Keeping in mind, you can only have one checking and one savings account connected, and it is going to go through the Plaid service. From there, we're going to go ahead and click on continue. Now from here, it's going to bring up the Plaid network and we can go ahead and click on continue. Now from here, it is going to ask for a phone number, whether you've used Plaid or not before. But if you have used Plaid and plugged in a phone number in the past, it should actually bring up some previous connected banks to actually make this process a little faster. So we're going to go ahead and plug that in and click on continue. Now, because we already have our phone number connected, it is giving us the option to go ahead and just quickly sign in to one of our bank accounts. But if you haven't used Plaid again in the past before, the way it'll work is you choose the bank you want to go ahead and connect with, and you'll go ahead and put in your username and password to do that instant connection with you. Plaid is a secure software to go ahead and make those connections pretty seamless. And just in case you are somebody who has used it in the past but want to choose a new account, at the very bottom here, there is an option to click on add new account. Now, once you go ahead and connect your account and choose the bank you want to use, it is going to just give us a quick review, double checking to make sure everything is going to look good for us and making sure it's going to go into the right account. If everything looks good here, we're going to go ahead and click on agree, and we're going to go ahead and add our bank account. Alrighty, and from right over here, you can see our bank account has now been added, and it is now an option for us to go ahead and withdraw. Now from here, we just need to go ahead and click on the new bank account we added. Now from this screen right over here, it's going to ask you how much you would like to go ahead and send, and you can choose a minimum of 20, but anything between 20 and how much you actually currently have. So if you only wanted to do, say, 25, you can go ahead and do that. We'll click on done here. And then it'll just have you click on review here at the bottom. And then over here in the review, if everything looks good, it is one more time double checking everything, letting you know how long it will take you. And then click on confirm and withdraw, and your money will now be moved out from your Ibotta account. Now we have more to show you when it comes to managing your money. So check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.